Welcome back to Educators. Ready for a challenge? I'm going to give you 20 words to spell from easy to hard, and you'll have 10 seconds to either write them down or shout them out. Feel free to pause if you need more time. Alright, let's start. The first word is ride. We took a ride on the Ferris wheel. Spell the word ride. You've got it. It's R-I-D-E. The next word is cube. She solved the Rubik's Cube in under a minute. Correct. It's C-U-B-E. Next word is place. I found the place on the map and marked it with a heart. Excellent. It's P-L-A-C-E. The next word is white. We saw a white swan at the lake. Perfect. It's W-H-I-T. The last easy word is flame. The campfire's flame crackled and glowed. Yes, it's F-L-A-M-E. You're doing great. Now let's step up the challenge. The next word is brush. He used a brush to paint blue colors across the canvas. You've got it. It's B-R-U-S-H. Next up, shelf. The books were placed neatly on the shelf. Correct. It's S-H-E-L-F. The next word is track. The runners lined up at the track. That's right. It's T-R-A-C-K. Next word is cloud. A fluffy cloud drifted across the blue sky. Right again. It's C-L-O-U-D. Next word is sleep. The boy drifted into sleep after a long, busy day. Yes, it's S-L-E-E-P. Halfway done. Now let's move on to harder words. Let's go with piece. He carefully placed the final piece of the puzzle into place. Did you get it? It's P-I-E-C-E. Next up, thief. The thief stole the money and ran down the street. Nailed it. It's T-H-I-E-F. Let's go with ceiling. The ceiling fan spun slowly above the room. Correct. It's C-E-I-L-I-N-G. The next word is children. The children played happily in the park. Bingo. It's C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Next up is quarter. She found a quarter on the sidewalk and picked it up. You've got it. It's Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Amazing! You've made it this far. Now let's see how you do with advanced words. The next word is cleaner. The vacuum cleaner hummed as it picked up crumbs from the floor. You've got it. It's C-L-E-A-N-E-R. The next word is wishes. She was granted 3 wishes after rubbing the magical lamp. Yes, it's W-I-S-H-E-S. Next up is helping. They're helping pick up trash in the park after the event. Did you get it? It's H-E-L-P-I-N-G. Final 2. Let's see how you do with these impossible words. The next word is darker. As the night got darker, the stars became easier to see. You've got it. It's D-A-R-K-E-R. Last word is thankful. I am thankful for everyone watching and supporting this video. Did you get it? It's T-H-A-N-K-F-U-L. Make sure to leave a comment on how many you spelled right. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new challenge. Got a subject that's giving you trouble? Drop a comment below and I'll make a video to help you out. Thanks for watching.